How do you change the theme in Olive Video Editor? Let's figure that out now. Okay, let's change the theme in Olive Video Maker. Go to Tools, go to Preferences, go to Appearance, don't mind that icon. Go to Theme, go to Olive Dark, Olive Native light icons. Let's go to Dark Theme. Hit OK. It will ask you to change this. It would ask you to restart this. Hit yes. Before that, I'm going to jump cut. Okay, we are back. Here's the dark theme for Olive. Preferences. Go to Appearance. Let's look at Native. Hit OK. I see you in a little bit. Okay, we are back. Here's the theme. It kind of looks like the white theme a bit. Like grayish. Maybe. Let's look at the other theme. Native light icons. I see you when I come back. Welcome. This is the final theme. So, that was the video. I'm gonna go back to dark theme because I like that the best. It's up to you which you like. What do you like the best? I'm gonna go to dark theme because I like that one the best. Also, there is another thing. Use native menu style. I want to see what that looks like. Okay, that's how you do it. Anyway, bye bye.